Hello everyone, my name is Deepika Kumari and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I completed my bachelor's from Jaipur only.
That's really great to hear from you.
Thank you, sir.
One more participant from Jaipur University.
Yes, sir.
Next month we are having a workshop at Jaipur.
Yes, sir. I heard about it.
But why so early, 1 month before only you came here and you joined this workshop?
Sir, actually, I was already getting job opportunities from there, but I was still in dilemma. I was confused what to do and how to pursue. So my HOD, Dr. Atul Singh, he guided me and suggested me to take this workshop of Mission Walk in Hyderabad. So I came here and there was 2 days workshop. So I attended it and now I feel like I'm enough confident, like I can give any job interview and I can handle patients also. So for this, I will for sure pursue again in Jaipur.
So in this 2 days workshop,
Yes.
what especially you have learned?
Till now, I have only learned about my theoretical part in my bachelor's only. So there was no as such practical exposure. So in these 2 days, I had the best practical exposure with every neurological conditions in daily life. So there were many cases. So now I can treat the patients, handle the patients like patients are on bed, on wheelchair. So the journey of their supine on bed to sitting on wheelchair to standing and walking independently, I am very sure and confident enough so that I can make a patient walk from sitting on wheelchair to walking independently.
You are almost on par with the senior and experienced people now
Yes, sir.
after this workshop.
Yes, sir.
How you are going to utilize this?
Sir, first of all, I'm very thankful to Ravi Badawat sir and my HOD Dr. Atul Singh. They showed me a right path to join this workshop. And after meeting Dr. Ravi Badawat sir, he just made me to overcome my inner obstacle. And that was like, I was not confident enough to handle these neuro patients. I felt like I cannot handle, neuro is not my stream. But now I feel like I can do best in this field only.
The second day,
Yes, sir.
the live patient,
Yes.
Mr. Edwin is from Europe.
Yes, sir.
Currently, he is treating at our Delhi branch.
Yes, sir.
So, how you are connected with him while the training, and what you have observed from him?
So basically, he's a spinal cord injury patient.
Okay.
So he's on wheelchair right now, and he has been with Dr. Ravi sir from a very early time.
Okay.
So he has been recovering. He has been recovering very at a significant level. So in this entire 2 days workshop, he has been a model to us. So he is very naive patient, and we got to know about the things, the problems he suffered, he faced. So he motivated us, the therapist, as well as the patients also. So I'm very much motivated from him. Basically, Edwinas is a spinal cord injury patient. So he has been suffering a lot through these past months. So he was with Dr. Ravi sir by very early time. So in this entire 2 days workshop, he has been a model to us. So I'm very thankful to him. Because of him, we could learn very good things like on a live patient. So, and he's a very naive patient. He's a motivation to us, a therapist, as well as to patients also. And I have heard like recently Dr. Ravi sir is launching a book also for the entire physiotherapy community, in which he is guiding step-by-step protocols to all the trainee neurotherapists as well as other field therapists also. So I'm eagerly waiting, and we all are eagerly waiting for his book to be launched soon. And I'm very thankful to Dr. Ravi sir and this patient Edwinas. There is a big contribution of Edwinas also with Dr. Ravi sir in this book launching.
Would you like to recommend this program?
So for sure, I would like to recommend to my seniors as well as my juniors also, and the entire physiotherapy generation also. This 2 days workshop was just a level 1. That was very wonderful, and there are more upcoming levels also to upgrade our knowledge also. So I would definitely recommend everybody to join this, and I am very, very grateful and thankful to this fruitful session of Dr. Ravi Badawat sir and the entire Mission Walk team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your great words.